All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a pretty cool mini dealer right over here to check out. But you know, guys, you can check out Fablades.com. See what is going on there. See if this guy is still available there, because that's a nice one. Also, you can check out @Fablades on Instagram and see what also is going on there, because I'm gonna check out what is going on here. You also can check out the comment section, and see if there is anything you wanna further check out right there. And let me know right there if I can check you out. Check your comment out, and I don't want to check you out. But anyways, guys, let's stop these check-in things. But we can check these things right over here in the envelope. There's stickers, an extra bearing, and a little key to take the toy apart. And you get the classic Lautie box, obviously, and you get the HateDust project. Boom, look at this, with the pig right over here. Stainless steel and zirconium construction for this mini dealer. I've reviewed many mini dealers. There's a lot of materials. This is pretty cool because it's not weighing a ton. Like the tungsten, for example. This is 3.18 ounces, which is very, very reasonable. I want to do a quick size 38 millimeters by 12.4 millimeters, so classic mini dealer size. This is a beautiful spinner. It's the mini dealer from Lautie, and this is the Lautie EDC and HateDust project with this big, pretty cool pig right over here. So basically this is a spinner. You just hold it like that, or you can just have it sitting on the desk and just have it spin, or you can just spin it like that and angle it, and this guy is just gonna spin on its place, kinda. If you have like a table that is leveled, and if you just let it go at the right angle, this guy is gonna be spinning at an angle, and it's pretty cool. Look at that. It's gonna be slowly getting attracted from the gravity, and it's going to slowly just sit down and continue to spin on the table. So it's like an airplane landing or something. So very, very nice sound. It's gonna spin for a long time, and it's gonna bring you joy and pleasure. So very, very cool one for sure. It's really one of my favorite. There's not much else to say beside that this is a limited edition. I believe there's 399 of these made, pretty much like the tungsten one, which is much heavier, but this is a very nice one. Huge shout out to my buddy for lending me this fella, so I'm able to share my impressions with you, and you can share your impressions with me in the comment section down below, and check that subscribe button if you haven't already, and you can check out a lot of things while you watch this video. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Nice sound too. I love this, guys. It's pretty nice. One of my favorite spinners. I'm not really into spinners that much. I mean, I love them, but not as many. I don't have as many as I have sliders, for example. But yeah, this is a keeper for sure. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.